New Year is more than just a date. It creates hope and fresh beginnings. It is a golden chance to reflect the past year while looking forward to the new experiences and opportunities. The season motivates us to express gratitude for those who have supported us through life challenges. Sending heartfelt wishes to friends is a lovely way to strengthen these special bonds and spread joy. Wishing you a cheerful New Year.
As we step in this new year with our elders' blessing and with unforgettable moment fulfilled with joy and happiness. May this year would be even better than the previous one. May you find joy in each moment of your life, love that surrounds you, and success at all. May this year will be a fresh startup for you all with endless possibilities and hopes. So at last, I want to wish you all a very blessed new year.
As the new year approaches, excitement fills the air as we prepare to say goodbye 2024 and welcome 2025. This time of year is all about fresh starts, new commitments, inspiring people and welcome positive things. Celebrations are everywhere with friends and family gathering to enjoy each other's company. Wishing you a fabulous new year ahead.
Wishing you all a great New Year.